Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to update your new promotion on LinkedIn and let your network know. So from your home feed, click me, then view profile, scroll down to the experience section, and then click the pencil icon. So pick the role that you got promoted in and then click the pencil again to edit. So change your title to your new role, set the start date, and turn on I currently work in this role if it applies. So choose the official company page so the logo shows. Turn notify your network on if you want people to see the update. Leave it off if you want it private. So add a short description, what you do now, and one or two wins. And attach a link or file if you have a proof of work. So double check your dates and spelling, then hit save. So this helps you show growth and get found in search by recruiters and clients and spark congrats messages that can lead to new opportunities. And thank you so much for watching. And for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.